Do you not have any water in your toilet and you need to flush it? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can flush your toilet without running water. Now, you may be in a situation where you need to flush your toilet and you don't have any running water. Yes, this can happen if you lose electricity, even on a well, and your pump stops working. So first things first, you're gonna need a bucket. I actually have this 5-gallon bucket, and if you can find a lid for it, that would be even better. Now, you may not have any running water right now, so what you can do is try to find some water somewhere else. If you know there's a pond somewhere close, or even your pool will work just as well. Also, if it's cold outside and it's been snowing, gather up some snow in your bucket and bring that inside because it's gonna melt. What we're trying to do is find some water somewhere. That is the goal. So wherever you can find it, that would be great. Also, if you know ahead of time that maybe you're gonna be potentially without water, get some 5-gallon buckets and go ahead and fill them up with just some water. This way, you're gonna be able to flush your toilet. We have our 5-gallon bucket with some water in here. Now, if it was me, I'd go ahead and fill this up to the top and put that lid on it so when you're carrying it inside, it's not gonna splash anywhere. I've just went ahead and I have about 2 gallons of water in here. This is about what you're going to need. Now, believe it or not, you do not need electricity to flush a toilet. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. And no, we're not gonna pull the lid off the back of the tank and put it in there. Okay, we're gonna try and do this with one hand, but this is all you're gonna do. You're gonna go ahead and put this water in the toilet. Now, the key to making this work is to put it in pretty fast. You do not need to trickle the water in because what's going to happen is you're not going to get a good flush if you're not being very aggressive with it. I mean, don't be super aggressive, but you just kind of need to pour it in pretty fast. Okay, so here we go. I found someone to help me film this. And so you ready? Watch it flush. And there you have it. That's exactly how you're gonna flush your toilet when you don't have water in the back of your tank. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if this worked. Also, let me know where you found your water. That way other people can have some ideas on where they can get some extra water. Again, fill up those 5-gallon buckets just to be on the safe side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.